Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Goran Guitar. We found a great song here from NAïKA. This one is called 1+1. And 1+1, this is the acoustic version of it. Beautiful song there. And if you've watched the music there, the music video, you will see that when they're playing the guitar there, they have different grips. And that is because they have a guitar tuned down a little bit there. So we're going with a standard tuning, and with that we're gonna have some different grips but the same sound. So that is what's going on here. 3 chords, NAïKA 1+1. Let's go. We're gonna start with the D sharp minor, and we're just gonna work with bar chords. That means we're not gonna use any capo for this one. So the D sharp minor is a bar here placed on the 6th fret. And you bar all strings except from the last D here in the bass, so 5 strings from bottom up. And then you need to add 8 on D string, 8 on G, and 7th on the B string. That's the D sharp. We're gonna go to the A sharp minor. You have the bar still here on the 6th fret. Now you bar all strings. And then you need to add 8 on A and 8 on the D string. And then the final chord here will be the G sharp. So you go with the bar finger here and place that on the 4th position. So 4th fret, bar all strings there. And then you need to add 6 on A string, 6 on D, and 5th on the G string. So you're gonna have that chord progression from the beginning till the very end. D sharp, A sharp, and G sharp. All right. Now we're gonna look at the strumming pattern. It's a pretty long one, okay? So we're gonna sound like this. Lots of downs and ups there. Okay, so we're gonna start and divide it into 2 different parts, so that makes it easier to teach and learn. So the first half of it will be down, down, up, down. So if you grab the D sharp minor, that's the first chord. You're gonna play down, down, up, down. Okay, so that's the first half. And then you continue with down, up, down, down, up. So down, up, down, down, up. That's the second part. So if you combine the 2 parts, it will be down, down, up, down, then down, up, down, down, up. Okay, so that is 1 round. In standard tempo, something like this. All right, and a couple of rounds to get the feeling for the rhythm. It goes. And so on. All right, so we're gonna play 2 strumming rounds of the D sharp, 1 for A sharp and 1 for the G sharp. And that is what's going on from the beginning till the very end. It goes like this for a couple rounds. And so on. All right, guys, so NAïKA's 1+1, beautiful song there. Give it a try. It fits guitar very well. And if you want to practice bar chords, this is a great option here. So thank you for watching, guys, and play tuned.